Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to show you guys what I received from a design team package. GOLDIECHARM1. She's actually a new Instagram seller and I'll leave her link down below. She's actually one of our crafty friends, but I'm not going to say who it is because she want to remain anonymous, so that's what we're going to call her for right now. All business owners that we have to go and support and show her lots of love, guys. Her kit is $35 shipped, guys, and I think that's an amazing price. $35 for all the goodies you're gonna get in this box that I'm about to show you, plus it's with shipping, which I think that's amazing. So you open it up, guys. This is how it looks like. Oh my god, I'm so excited to dig into this. Take everything out of the box and I'll be right back, guys. Can't we just check out this cute little container? Oh my god, these are so cute. I love this. Is what was in these cute little containers, and these will be perfect to make cute little dangles or charm. Oh, I'm so excited to use this. These right here, guys, you can totally use this and add a cute little sequin mix in there and add it in some friend mail. These are really pretty and I love this pink one. This cute little candy container, and it came with these hot pink tassels. Oh my god, I can't wait to use this. I already know what project I'm gonna be doing with these. And look, guys, it came with some Good Vibe puffy stickers. Oh, I love these. OMG. And I think I only have like 2 of these. 1 or 2, I'm not sure, but yay, look, I got another one. Look at the cute little watermelon. Oh, I love that one. I'm obsessed with these. These are actually from the DT, and wait until I show you guys how I alter it. So beautiful, and I love this beautiful like color. It just reminds me so much of mermaids. Well, can't we check out this iridescent packaging though, guys? I love it. And look at these cute little beads. Oh my god, I don't have this in my stash at all, guys. I'm so excited to play with these. Oh my goodness. Oh, and I love that one. I use that in my Poke tool and I'm obsessed with that bead. Check out these charm, guys. These are like the cutest little Boba Drinks ever, guys. Lollipop charm. I don't think I have the heart to use these. I might just hoard these. These are so cute. Check out these cute little miniature heart. Oh my god, these are so cute. Oh my god, I don't think I'll have the heart to use this. I might just hoard these. These are just so cute. Check out this cute little mini jar. It has like little mini straws. Holy, they're so tiny. Guys, look how tiny these little straws are. Oh wow, they're so cute. Look at all these cute little charms. Look, oh my god, this reminds me of like an Alice in Wonderland for some reason. I'm so excited for this, guys. So it says thank you for supporting my small business, and check it out, guys. It's a little mini suitcase. How freaking adorable. So all her kit will come with a cute little mini suitcase like this, guys. Different colors, and it rolls, and it'll have all your cute little embellishments in there. But this is like the cutest ever. I haven't seen nobody done this before. This is a really great idea. Look at that. Oh my god, can you believe that it rolls? That's the cutest little thing ever. It'd be perfect for some Poke tool, or even some tassel charms in general. So cute. Guys, check out these beads. That's like a little iridescent shine to this. This is beautiful. Check these out, guys. I don't have anything like this in my stash at all. Oh guys, look at these. Perfect for some Poke tool. Oh my god, I'm so excited to play with this. Oh wow, these are beautiful. Look at the beautiful ombre color in here. Girl, I need me more of these. Check out that cute little mini charm with the little heart. How adorable. And look at this. OMG, this reminds me of Carousel, and that's one of my favorite collections ever. This one is beautiful. Oh my god, I love this. This is the cutest thing ever. I'm definitely not gonna be sharing this. Definitely gonna be hoarding this, guys. This is beautiful. Oh my god, I love that. I love. Can you believe all this comes in the kit and it's only $35 shipped? That's insane. The little baby macaroons. Look at that little Cheeto though. That's so cute. I love that. That's so adorable. So guys, these are beautiful colors. OMG, beautiful pastel colors. These are called Spacer, if I'm not mistaken. I'm still new to making jewelry. Bunch in here, and they have different sizes and colors. Oh, it says I love you, and the other one says pretty girl. This is like acrylic. This is amazing. I haven't seen anybody post this at all. Oh, I love these. They're so cute. Check out this jar. It has like all these beautiful beads in here. Oh, these are stunning. Oh, I love these. So last but not least, you guys, check these out. So cute. Look at these lollipop charm. That's really adorable. Look at the popsicle, ice cream cone, the bear, and I love this. Look at these, guys. These are so cute. Oh, I love that cute little acrylic tape. Look at that, so kawaii, so sweet. Look at the little charm, the cupcake. This is beautiful, guys. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and make sure you guys go follow and support our crafty friend. I'll leave her link down below. Take care, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.